All right, now we're gonna head over to Anthony. He doesn't know that we're coming, and we're gonna go ahead and get one of those instant issues. Hi, Anthony. How are you?
A heads up one. Fantastic. What do you need today?
I need an instant issue. Mine is damaged, so I need a...
You need to read. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
Went ahead and started the timer. All right, now it's activated, and it only took 3 minutes and 44 seconds. Now we're gonna go ahead and test this out. We're gonna go ahead over to Peggy's Candies and swipe this card and see if it works.
Just never had that before.
Now that I have my brownie with my instant issue card, I'm all set to go. You can head into the branch and either open up a new account, or if your card is lost or stolen or damaged, you can hop in and get an instant issue right there in as little time as it takes to drink a cup of coffee. You can also head to cnnbankpa.com for more information.